Welcome to the 25 days of Stitchmas. My name is Nelu, and for the next 25 days, we are going to be creating new stitch files that I am going to digitize and embroider for you on this channel. Now, if you are somebody that likes to digitize, embroider, illustrate, paint, or whatever your creativity is, use these as like a daily prompt for the holiday season to create something new for your shop or maybe just for you in general. I will be digitizing and embroidering every single one of these stitch outs. So welcome to day 9 of Stitchmas.
Alrighty guys, and here we're at the computer, and just as a reminder, I am using the Embroidery software to do the digitizing, and today let's bring in the SVG file of our snowman, and of course I created him too big. Let's shrink him down to size. There we go. Let's zoom back in. Alrighty, so he's about 3 inches in diameter, so let's keep him that way. I think this actually might be pretty simple because it's an SVG file, so let's create a new design and let's do some copy and pasting. So we are going to do, oh goodness, did I do the whole thing? I think I did. My bad. I wanted to, where's the big circle? Oh, none of these are named. There we are. All right, so we're going to go with white here, and it's going to be a fill, obviously. Let's change the color. I wonder if I have frost as a color, but we'll just leave it white. Okay, let's go here, and then now these are the 2 eyeballs. So, oopsie, clicking all over the place here. Man, they really need to fix that. Let's paste those. Okay, and then these are, we are going to do these as satin columns because I think the satin will sit very, very cute. Oh, you know what? That does not look cute. I think we're just going to do them as little fills on top. I think that's what we're going to do. Fills we'll do with the little black because we would use coals. I think that's how you do the snowman, right? Let's do that as well. Change them into black fills. This is really, really easy with SVG because all we're doing is literally just copy pasting, add a fill, and then we are going to change this to orange. Let's see. Oh, I like that. There we go. There he is, our little snowman. I think we're going to add a cute little border around him. So paste. And we're going to do a satin border, and we are going to choose white, and there we go. Now with this, I think this is it. Unfortunately, because this has no traveling, there are going to be cuts between this eye, and then between all of the points of the mouth. So there will be jump stitches or cuts depending on what your machine can do with all of those. But since this fill already has, the background fill has enough stability with the underlayment, I am going to go ahead and remove the underlayment for the other stitches, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to change the directions of these stitches. The reason being is because we don't want these stitches and those stitches to go the same way, and then these will just sink right into them, and we don't want that. So we're going to change that this way. This is giving us, and you know what, I think I'm going to do a nice little border around that as well. So let me do that, change the color to orange. And I'm going to bring this satin border because I know this is a little bit smaller. We're going to go to the smallest that I can go, which is, we'll go 1.7 to keep them nice and cute. I'm thinking like that. Perfect. You know what? Let me move this above that. That way it stitches at the same time. Start and stop, and then we'll do a start and stop there. Okay, perfect. So that will all handle itself there. And there we go. And this is pretty much the design for today. Yeah. So the next thing, and I'm sorry guys, I forgot these. We need to adjust this. I'm going to remove the underlayment, but what I am going to do is give them traveled edges, and I'll give this as well a traveled edge so that we get that defined circle for those.
Hello everybody, welcome to the stitch out portion of day number 9 of Stitchmas. And now as this stitches out, you will notice there are a couple things. I realized that, well, after we stitched it out, the border for the snowman on the outside, so the satin border that was on the outside, way too thin. So there's going to be some separation from the pull of the fill stitches. So when doing that, that's why we want a thicker border, is to help cover that when that does happen, especially with stretchier materials and stuff like that. So that was one thing. And then the second thing, all the eyes and the mouthpieces, the little coals that we did, I should have done those as satin columns. I noticed when I was editing this video that I had selected fill stitches, and I thought I selected satin stitches. And honestly, I didn't realize that, but the satin stitches would have just sat so much better on that. So I should have done that in hindsight. But yeah, that's what it was. But anyways, after this stitch out, you'll definitely see this finished product and see what I'm talking about. But I wanted to say, I hope you guys are enjoying these 25 days of Stitchmas. I'm actually having quite a lot of fun digitizing and practicing all different types of techniques. And I hope this maybe encourages you to try and do that. But I hope you guys are enjoying your this holiday season. I hope your days are going really well. I know we're already at day 9, and I just can't believe it's flying by. But pretty soon it'll be over, so enjoy it while you can. At least that's what I'm trying to do. But I hope you guys are having a great oh, did I not say the code of the day? Obviously it's gift. Definitely go to stitchdaddies.com if you want to download the stitch file or the design file for this little snowman. It is free if you use the code word gift. If not, it's $1 on my website. It's really up to you how you want to do that. And so I don't mind you guys downloading it for free. And the reason I put it for $1 is because if not, on Shopify, we'll get bots that just start flooding our website when it's free. They just start buying putting it in the cart, processing it. It's a bot thing, and I hate, so that's why I have to put it for $1. Anyway, I feel like I've over explained. Enjoy the rest of this stitch out video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful season, and I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Ding dong, ding, them bells are ringing clear and bright. Dong, ding, doggone bells they ring throughout the night. You spouse of kin and child of sibling, come and gather near. Eat and drink, invade my house like every single year. Ding dong, I mean saying it's Christmas time again. Ding dong, ding, them bells are playing loud and clear. Dong, ding dong, they're saying it's that time of year. For dreams of snow and stolen kisses neath the mistletoe. For kids from 1 to 96 with eyes and hearts aglow. Ding dong, bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time. Yuletide carol choirs, angels in the snow. Chestnuts, open fires, rides from long ago. Hark the herald, all ye faithful, golden days of yore. Listen to the same old songs 1,000 times and more. Ding dong, bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time. We dream of snow and stolen kisses neath the mistletoe to celebrate that time of more 2,000 years ago. Ding dong, bells they chime, for now it's Christmas time. Ding dong, ding, them bells are ringing clear and bright. Dong, ding, doggone bells they ring throughout the night. You spouse of kin and child of sibling, come and gather near. Eat and drink, invade my house like every single year. Ding dong, drive me insane, it's Christmas time again. Ding dong, ding, them bells are playing loud and clear. Dong, ding dong, they're saying it's that time of year. For dreams of snow and stolen kisses